Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Mega account step by step. A Mega account lets you securely store, upload, and share your files online. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Mega website. Then, click the Create Account button. Enter your first name and last name. Next, enter your email address. Then, create a strong password. Then, click Create Account. Mega will send a verification email to your inbox. Open your email and click the Verify My Email button. After verifying your email, return to the Mega website. Your Mega account is now ready to use. You can start uploading files, creating folders, and sharing files with others. And that's it. You've successfully created a Mega account. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cloud storage tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.